Thanks for choosing MINIWAVE therapy system. And this system consists with one main unit and one handpiece. And on the handpiece, it has the control panel. You can control the machine directly, or you can use the touch control panel to control the machine. And we also provide the app on the phone. You can use the phone app to control the unit as well. Now we'll demo how to use the app to control the system. Now we start the application. And after login, it has the main menu, and you have several options to connect with one device or several more devices. And you can disconnect device as well, and you can set the system settings, for example, the private settings or customized protocols as well. And here it has a very simple button to start the operation. Now we need to check the connect device. Okay, you can see here is already one device. It has been discovered. Now we click the connect button, and it shows connected. Now the cell phone has connection with the device. We can go to the main menu, and here you can see it has changed to connected status. You can also switch to other devices. Not to say, with one cell phone you can manage several MINIWAVE. Now we start the operation. Here is the client list. If you have multiple clients, you can create more clients here. And you can record the client's name, the client's information, personal information, and also the treatment history as well. Now, since we have we do the demo, we have only one client, we can click the client and go to the further step. Now, with this client, you can see here you can record the phone number, the email, the physical address. You can also give a score to the client, for example, you can do as you like. And here's make a note. You can input some client's information here. And you can also download the treatment history report as a PDF format file. And now we have the several buttons. The first button is to select a preset protocol. The second button is to start the treatment directly without selecting the protocol. The third button is to view the treatment history. Now it is a new user on my cell phone, so we use the select preset protocol. Okay, now you can choose different protocol type, for example, urology and male health, or physiotherapy, or aesthetics, or rehabilitation. Now we select the physiotherapy as an example. We select physiotherapy. It has multiple preset protocols here. You can see it has as many as 20 protocols. We can choose, for example, maybe we can choose visual physiotherapy trigger point. Okay, you can see the help button, and it has acute or chronic two types. And here's a photo to show how to do the treatment and how about the trigger button as on the body. And below there is a detailed table about the description of the treatment. For example, how to set the energy frequency, how many shoots will be done in one session, and how to select the applicator and handpiece, applicator handpiece. And here's a note. You can modify the note as you like. Then we can go. Then the machine is activated. Now we can see the default parameters are set here, and you can also see the status of the machine. And you can see current heat is 0, and application 1 status connected. Applicator 2 status not disconnected. For this machine, it can connect with 2 handpieces. Now for the demo, we only connect with 1. Here we can take the handpiece, and you can see the parameter is set on the panel of the handpiece as well. Now we can do the treatment. At the same time, you can see the counter goes on both the control panel of the handpiece, also on the application. Now we hold it. Okay, we can also quit, and select different indications. For example, for aesthetics, it can be used to treat the cellulite. Okay, let's go. The parameter is different. Okay.